Good afternoon. I am Carla Casas, immigration attorney with Casas Immigration. Today is February 9th, 2018, and I wanted to take just a few minutes to talk with you today about DACA. I've had a lot of clients calling in the last couple weeks with a lot of questions, a lot of confusion regarding who can renew their work permits and who can't. So I wanted to just take a few minutes to explain what the current situation is. In January 2018, a federal court in San Francisco, California, issued an order ordering the Trump administration to continue accepting DACA applications from certain individuals, which I will get into in a moment. But that is currently what we have. That order is in place and the government is complying with the order. Now, the government has appealed the judge's decision, so at some point that might change, but currently what we have is an order that orders the government to continue accepting certain DACA applications. So the individuals that can continue to submit DACA, the first group is individuals who currently have DACA, which has not yet expired. As most of you know, the DACA comes with, basically you get a work permit for 2 years. And so individuals who have the work permit and they want to be able to renew it before it expires, those individuals can go ahead and submit the renewal applications, and the government is processing those applications. The second category of individuals is individuals whose work permit expired on or after September 5th, 2016. So those individuals can also submit a renewal application, despite the fact that their work permit already expired. But the government is also accepting those and processing those applications. And the third group of individuals is those whose work permit expired prior to September 5th, 2016. So individuals that had DACA at some point and maybe they didn't renew it, they let it lapse. But those individuals, they will not be able to submit a renewal application, but they can submit an initial DACA application. So basically they will need to submit the packet they submitted in the beginning, showing that they meet all the requirements and all the supporting evidence. But those individuals will be able to potentially apply for DACA again. Now, the individuals who are left out of this, unfortunately, are those who never had DACA, who never had an approved DACA application. Those individuals, unfortunately, are not covered under this order. But we do have, as I mentioned, 3 categories of individuals who are eligible to either renew or file an initial DACA application. So my advice would be to anyone who falls within that category and who is interested in doing this to act quickly, because, as I said, the government has appealed the judge's decision, so we don't know, what's going to happen in the future or how long this order will be in place. But what we know is we have it right now. The government is currently accepting these applications. So I would advise these individuals to first consult with an immigration attorney to make sure that there's not going to be any other issues with your case before you submit your application. But I definitely advise you to act quickly to take advantage of this, because we've been given a window and we just don't know how long this is going to be in place. If you have any questions about DACA, you can reach me at 312-971-7221 or via email at carla@casasimmigration.com, or you can also reach me through Facebook. My Facebook page is Casas Immigration as well. Thank you for listening, and I wish you all the best.